Hi everyone, I'm Raquel, and I've been getting a lot of questions lately talking about how I create my Pinterest pins, especially since my traffic has been growing steadily on the Pinterest. So I actually wrote a blog, and the question came, someone found my blog on Pinterest, and it led him to my YouTube video, and that's where the question was asked on YouTube. So basically, this is a quick overview of my process using free of my process using free tools. And if you're a digital product seller or blogger, this will help you basically get started. So first of all, I would like to show you where it all starts. It starts with research, and I use Pinterest trends to do all the research. Okay, and I would like to show you the how I find my evergreen ideas. I can, for me to go ahead and create pins around or blogs around. And I'll show you some example of pins that you can use, pins that are great. Because remember, it all starts with the pin. So basically, I'm in Pinterest trends here. Sorry, you need evergreen topics as well as seasonal topics. So I think this will be the best bet here for you. So you have yearly trends, and I actually went through this just to keep the video very short to show you an example of what the yearly trends would look like. So let's go back here to Pinterest. So I already selected an interest, which is food and drinks. Then I didn't put any keywords here. That's fine. So I went in here, and of course you have to pay attention to the little bulb because this basically predicts the trends pretty well. It has never failed me. Okay. So, and of course you will like to choose the niche that you're in. All right. So I've already selected the meatloaf. As you can see, it has a bulb. And from October to, well, the entire October, October last year to October this year, meatloaf has been getting traffic consistently. And of course, around the Christmas season, you will predict an increase, which is a plus for us. And that is what you want, okay? So basically, this has been pretty much consistent traffic for us. As you can see, you can click on these other little tabs at the bottom, and these are the related keywords. You can also find some pretty good keywords here as well. Some of them really don't make much sense, but just click on it and you can see the traffic. When you scroll through, you can see the traffic that you're getting from these. Okay, so I wouldn't use these keywords here at all. Right? So if you look at the bottom at meatloaf, you will see some beautiful pins. And of course, guys, you have to pay attention, right, to these type of pins. Okay? You have to pay attention to these pins, right? See how beautiful it is? See how beautiful they are. These are so beautiful. So, and what I have another step. I will show you that in a minute. Let us continue. So now I have chosen buffalo chicken dip, and it is somewhat consistent throughout, and from October last year to December this year, and you can see it will spike basically around Christmas, December month. Okay, so next we're looking at the healthy dinner recipes. So healthy dinner recipes, whoa, this is this is evergreen right there. Okay, so if you create anything, right, using these keywords or any blog and pins using these keywords, then definitely you will get some good traffic, consistent traffic. All right, let us click on the related. So it has meals, so meals to get something, cheap meals, not much. Okay, can't go beyond 4, right? But we do have this keyword, okay? Healthy dinner recipes, and that is pretty good, right? I do have keyword everywhere, and I would like to show you how cool this tool is. So keyword everywhere is a free plugin, right? And I sometimes will turn it on and off. And when you turn it on, you will be able to see the statistics on each pin, okay? So this will give you an idea of what pin design people are loving. Okay, so this is exactly how I determine, what topic to go after, what is trending, and what pin design style I should use. So if you pay attention to this, guys, this pin is only 14 days old. So this pin is only 14 days old. As you can see, people are loving this style, all right? So you can create something very similar with that using, of course, AI or Canva as well, okay? Or AI and Canva, right? Then you have something like this, 5 months old. It actually got a lot of saves and repins and loves or likes. So this is pretty good too. And I'm just showing you a pretty affordable way to do your research. Of course, you can use pin clicks, all right? So pin clicks, yes, it is more on the expensive side, but it's something you can use. So this pin here is 12 days old, as you can see, and it has, oh, so guys, if you use that keyword meatloaf, I think, well, just to give you an idea, if you use meatloaf, you will basically get your evergreen consistent traffic, okay? All right, you see how it is here? Oh Lord, look at this. Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay, look at this one here. 12 days, and see how many saves it has and repins, right? 3 repins, but only 12 days. So this is pretty good. So if we really want to pay attention to what type of pins we should create something like this. We should save this. We should also create one like this. It looks so mouth-watering and mouth-watery. And you can also pay attention to the French onion meatloaf. Okay, so pay attention to that. I put together a free Pinterest traffic starter guide or starter kit that will help you. Okay, so don't worry about this. This is my avatar. So what's inside, you'll see Evergreen pin ideas, AI tool breakdowns, ChatGPT prompts, Pinterest setup checklist, my faceless strategy guide, and much more. So basically, this is for digital product sellers or anyone who's tired of posting and getting their products seen on Instagram or TikTok, right? So basically, entrepreneurs. So if you think, so if you want more traffic, more consistent traffic without having to show your face, this is the free kit that you need. Okay, so the link is in the link is in the description. So go ahead and get it. Bye.